Hi beauties, I'm Rivaldo here and welcome back a new video. Today I'm so excited and I feel so nervous because I will record my first English video for my YouTube channel. So it's this one day with me. So if you are new here and if you don't know, I'm Rivaldo, I'm from Venezuela and my favorite language is Spanish. So I'm learning English and actually, I think this is the best way to practice and improve my English. So, welcome a one day with me. Okay, ladies, today I need to attend classes, my English classes, but before that, I want to record some content for my social media. Remember, follow me on Instagram is @YoSoyRivaldo, @YoSoyRivaldo on Instagram and TikTok and wherever. So, YoSoyRivaldo. So, I will take a shower and I will back for record some content for my social media. Okay, I already took a shower and now I'm going to record makeup videos. I have ready everything here for record and okay, I'm a little late. I'm running late. I think I'm running late, but I'm late. Okay, my makeup is ready. It's some makeup, no makeup, and now I'm gonna go to record my outfit of the day. I have everything ready. I have here my camera, and let's do it.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too.
Okay, beauty, so I'm ready. This is my outfit of the day and let's go. I'm late to the class. Alright, after 25 minutes we are here. Okay, I will show you my school. This is the Northwest Arkansas Community College. I really like my school. It's so big, modern. I like it. So actually, I'm not sure if I can record videos inside the school. So see you after my English class. I'm so late. I finished my English classes for today and I was getting information about my GED because one of my goals of this year is get my cosmetology license. I think it's license, but for that I need a GED or something like that. So I got my appointment for this week and get that information. So now we have a lot of errands to do. Let's go to Walmart because tomorrow is February 14th, Valentine's Day. Okay, tomorrow is Valentine's Day and I need to prepare the mystery sir gift or present. So actually I don't have anything prepared for him this year because we're going to take a cruising in maybe 2 weeks. I'm so excited for that. But I print pictures. I want to make a scrapbook. I think it's a scrapbook. I'm not sure. That is a very hard word. But let's go. We need to go to the Walmart. We need to do a lot of errands today. So let's go. Okay, I'm in Walmart right now because I need to buy a little something and also pick up the picture for my scrapbook. Alright, I have the picture here, but just look at this. It's so pretty. I think I will buy this for the scrapbook. And look at all the stickers. So yeah, I will buy this. This is so cute. Look at this. Alright, beauties, we found all that I need for make a scrapbook. Oh my god, I hate the word. We found all that I need to make a scrapbook. So now we need to go to take a lunch. Oh, but first let me check what about the pictures. Yes! Oh my goodness. Love it. Honestly, he's the most important person in my life. He's the best husband in the world. Okay, momento de chismecito, chisme moment. I forget my credit card and my another bad, and I bought everything this with his credit card. Oh my god, he now I'm buying something in Walmart, but I know he don't have any idea, what is his present. I'm not sure he will give me something, but I'm waiting my present, honestly. So, well, let's go and take a lunch. Okay, yesterday I can finish record my day because I spent a lot of time doing the scrapbook. I don't know if that's correct, but it's already. I did it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I want to show you, but I can't because remember my husband don't like I show his face in front of the camera. So, but it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, I will show you and I will put maybe something like this. Blur, I don't know. So, I will show you. Queen, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I did it. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, I did it yesterday and the night and I feel very proud because this is my first scrapbook. So I'm ready to take my romantic dinner with my husband. I don't know where we go, but this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Remember, my English is not perfect, just be kind, please. And if you want to tell me, okay, you can say this like this. Be kind. Bye, I'm Rivaldo and see you later in the next video.